Hey guys, I'm here at Ikea, man. I heard that they have shortages on furniture as well, so just came to record. Stay tuned, all right? It's my wife right there as well. Stay tuned. I'm gonna record this experience with you guys. I'm about to enter. As you can see, parking spaces. Very few people. I mean, I've heard that furniture is really low in supply. Shortage on furniture as well. Cool thing is that IKEA has a daycare for you to bring your kids. So that way, meanwhile, you get to shop. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's been operating this. I guess, because of COVID. Probably supply and demand as well. It's probably low. No employees to come and work. Food section is closed off as well. This is pretty cool, guys. It says that you could get a complete living room for under $2,000. Look, guys, another living room for under $1,400.
You come up right here.
I know you guys must be wondering, man, they show showroom full of furniture, but wait till we get downstairs to try to pick an order. You shall see. Stay tuned. Another kitchen for under $4,200. Man, this looks a little lighter on this side. This used to be filled up with more stuff. Look, people, let's make today great. Man, real light on the furniture setups here. This used to be more set up, more neater, and with more stuff to choose from. And this is in Ikea Atlanta, where the shortage is at on furniture. Like I said, they're low on products. They are low on products and furniture and supplies for your house. Shortages is serious. I thought it was food only, but man, it's across the board on different things. Normally this be stocked. So stocked it was just ridiculous. Crazy. I mean, look at the glassware as well. Shortages on glassware, people. Shortages on glassware. You don't have enough glass to drink your champagne in. Can't get litty, man. It's crazy. Shortages on blankets, comforters, sheets. Shortages as well. And if they have, their prices have went up in inflation as well. So kitchen stuff bathroom stuff as well. And it's crazy. People, we finally made it. Thanks for staying tuned with this journey I just went through on Ikea, just to get you guys update on the shortages, especially the furniture. I mean, look at this. I mean, they have very limited on furniture that they could sell. Their showroom shows that they have a lot, but when you come to pick up the stuff, man, shortages on furniture as well, man. It is serious, people. I have never seen Ikea like this, ever. Normally their areas look a lot fuller. Some of the furnitures be already, as you can see on the end caps, built. They're not even building them anymore. Their furniture is not built on the end caps. Wow. Empty spots up there, as y'all can see. This is cool. Ikea has speakers now. Pretty cool. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. That was the little walkthrough and showing you the shortages on furniture and other stuff that they had there. You know, like tablewares, bathroom stuff. Stay tuned. I got more videos to come of shortages. Appreciate your support, and please make sure you hit that like and follow button. I do appreciate it. Thank you.